Sam, I've been feeling so overwhelmed lately. Work, personal life, everything just seems too much. I want to be mentally strong, but I don't know where to start.
Alex, I understand. Life can be challenging, but there are ways to cultivate mental strength. Have you ever considered exploring Buddhist philosophies?
I've heard of Buddhism, but I'm not sure how it can help me with mental strength.
Let's take a walk through the garden, and I'll share with you 4 steps to be mentally strong, inspired by Buddhist teachings. Step 1. Embrace impermanence. Look at this flower, Alex. It's beautiful, but it won't last forever. In Buddhism, we learn to embrace impermanence. Everything in life is temporary. Our successes, our failures, our emotions.
So you're saying I should accept that things won't always stay the same?
Exactly. By accepting impermanence, we reduce our attachment to outcomes and learn to appreciate the present moment. Think about a stressful day at work. Reminding yourself that stress is temporary can help you stay calm and focused. When you're overwhelmed, remember that this feeling is temporary and will pass, just like the bloom of this flower. Step 2. Practice mindful awareness. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment. When you feel stressed, take a few deep breaths and focus on your breathing. Notice the sensations, sounds, and smells around you.
It feels calming, but how does this help with mental strength?
By practicing mindful awareness, you train your mind to stay calm and focused, even in difficult situations. Imagine being stuck in traffic. Instead of feeling frustrated, use the time to practice mindful breathing. This keeps you from reacting impulsively and helps you approach challenges with a clear mind, strengthening your mental resilience. Step 3. Cultivate compassion. See that butterfly? It's delicate and beautiful. Just like the butterfly, we must treat ourselves and others with compassion. Buddhism teaches us to cultivate loving kindness towards ourselves and others.
But isn't that being too soft?
On the contrary, compassion is a sign of strength. When you're kind to yourself, you build inner resilience. Imagine a tough meeting at work. Instead of criticizing yourself for any mistakes, approach them with self-compassion and see them as opportunities to learn and grow. When you're compassionate to others, you create a supportive environment that fosters mutual growth, making it easier to navigate conflicts and build strong relationships. Step 4. Let go of ego. This pebble represents our ego, our attachment to our identity, achievements, and opinions. In Buddhism, letting go of ego means recognizing that we're all interconnected and not defined by our individual successes or failures.
That sounds challenging. How do I start?
Begin by practicing humility and gratitude. Acknowledge your strengths and weaknesses without judgment. Think of a time when you faced criticism. Letting go of ego allows you to see the feedback as constructive rather than a personal attack. This mindset helps you improve and grow rather than becoming defensive or discouraged. Apply these steps by starting with small changes, setting daily goals, practicing mindful action, and cultivating inner motivation. Overcome laziness by committing to consistent effort and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. Celebrate progress and adjust your approach as needed to maintain momentum towards achieving your aspirations. So, Alex, these are the 4 steps. Embrace impermanence, practice mindful awareness, cultivate compassion, and let go of ego. By integrating these Buddhist philosophies into your life, you'll build mental strength and find greater peace and resilience.
Thank you, Sam. I feel more hopeful and ready to embrace these steps. I'll start with small changes and see how it goes.
That's the spirit, Alex. Remember, it's a journey. Be patient with yourself, and you'll find the strength you seek. Mental strength is not just about enduring tough times, but thriving in every aspect of life, making each day a little brighter and more meaningful.